Do you know what real freedom is? Real freedom is the opportunity to do what you like, where you like, when you like, and have ample free time to pursue whatever is your passion, is your calling. So you will feel that you would have seen that our parents used to work 9 by 6, and 9 to 6 they were always working and doing their work in their offices, whether they were in government offices or whether they were in private jobs. 9 to 5, 9 to 9, 9 to 6 is the normal work routine that they used to have. But in today's world, everybody aspires to have freedom for themselves, freedom of time, freedom of money, freedom of location. What that does is you get to pursue whatever you feel like doing. You get to pursue your passion. You get to do whatever things you want and you like for yourself and for your family. During my 20s, when I had just started to work, I used to think, how can I get this freedom quickly and quickly, as per the plan that I would make. And I went about setting my goals very early on in my 20s itself. The first time that I did the goal setting was I was teaching and I was coaching a group of engineers from the campuses. And I asked them to pen down all the goals they wanted to achieve, imagining that they had 1 crore in the bank account. It was not just them, but I also who mentally did this exercise, and because of that, I was able to look at my investments. I was able to look at what I wanted to do, where I wanted to live, which city I wanted to live. And it so happened that gradually, as time passed by, I happened to come to Bangalore and live in a city which is, there is a lot of traffic, but there is also very good air quality. The standard of living is very good. The weather is extremely good, neither to extremes of hot or cold, right? There's during the summer's time there is less of heat, and during winters it is not extremes of winter as well. So Bangalore seems to be one of the best choices amongst Pune being the other choice that I have. And I'm just talking about very simple things that I had listed for myself, and I went on to achieve most of them. There are certain things which I've still not striked off, but I'm in the process of pursuing those. I'm sure that you also would have set a lot of goals for yourself, and this is the real freedom. This is the freedom that you should aim for: freedom of choice, freedom to decide what you want to do, when you want to do, where you want to live. During our early 20s and 30s, we do not think about these things, and we do not take it seriously as well. We are just going by the flow. But if you have thought about it, if you have written about it, and you have also decided that come what may, in its own course of time you will achieve all these things. You will see that, you will find that you do that, and you start achieving all of them. And I also reflect back and I look at the goals that I had set, and I find that I have achieved many of those. I would not say I have achieved all of them. There is still a lot to be done and to be achieved. But the goal that I had taken for myself, I have achieved them. And now, when I reflect, I also feel that there could have been better ways of doing it, faster ways of doing it. But that is some learning that has come because of the mistakes that I have made. So please share what are your views, whether are you in your 20s or 30s or 40s, and what is the goal that you have given to yourself? Were you able to achieve them because you set them early, or are you now doing it though it is late but you are still doing it? Do share. Thank you so much.